What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your Huawei Watch 3 or 3 Pro to use and utilize all of its features. I will also go through all of the options, features, settings we got on Huawei Watch 3 and its related smartphone application to give you an idea that how all of these features work and how you can improve your productivity. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you do not miss any future videos. So to configure and set up the Huawei Watch 3, you need Huawei Health application. A Huawei or Honor smartphone, then you will find the Huawei Health pre-installed on it. Or if you got any other Android smartphone or an iPhone, then you can download it from your respective app store. So first of all, let's make sure that the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the location, all of these are turned on your smartphone. After that, switch on your Huawei Watch 3. So now first of all, select your preferred language. I'm going to select English. After that, you can see that my smartphone is detecting the Huawei Watch 3 by itself because I'm using a Huawei smartphone and the Huawei devices are very well integrated. But if you are not having a Huawei smartphone, then you need to launch the Huawei Health application. After that, you need to go to the devices, and here you will find an option called add. So either you can manually add by scanning. So here you can see my Huawei Watch 3 is coming in the list, and you can also use the QR code of your device to link it with your smartphone. So for that, you will have to tap on these 4 dots, then tap on scan, and after that, you can use scanner of your Huawei Health application to scan the QR code, and then you can link the Huawei Watch 3 with your smartphone. So I'm going to use the another method. Just tap on add, it will start scanning, it will show the device in the list, and then you can just tap on link button here. After that, tap on OK. If it is showing that your device is connected with another one, give the permission to sync Bluetooth messages. Tap on allow, tap on pair, and tap on this check mark here on the Huawei Watch 3. On the next screen on your smartphone, it will show some terms of usage. So just select I have read and agree to the above items, and after that tap on next. Then on the next screen, it will show you the message that whether you would like the HMS core updates to be automated. By default, it is enabled. If you want, you can disable it as well. And after that, you can tap on next. Then it will ask you to select the enhanced services like location services, AI tips notification service, or whether you would like to join the user experience improvement program. So depending on your preference, you can select any of these or you can just ignore all of them. It's totally up to you. And here we go. So the device is paired now. Just tap on done. After that, it will ask you to sync your Huawei ID. So you can see that my Huawei ID is already being used on my Huawei Health application, and all I need to do just tap on sync here. Then my Huawei Watch 3 will start using the same Huawei ID, and this is a nice idea because to use few features like app gallery, etc., you'll have to use the Huawei ID on your Huawei Watch 3 or 3 Pro. So let's sync it right now. So account synced successfully, and now here on the screen you can see we are getting some instruction how to use the cards and all. So swipe right to return to the previous screen, press the crown to go to the recent task or the app drawer, and rotate the crown to navigate. Done. Then it will ask you whether you would like to get watch face enhancement services. Tap on agree or cancel based on your preference because it needs the access to internet, location, and your calendar. So I'm going to tap on agree. Once again, it will ask you to enable the location services to provide you weather information, etc. So once again, you can either enable it or you can just select later. I'm going to enable it. Tap on access my location on this slider, and we are good to go. Now, first of all, let's have a look on the features and options we got on the smartphone application. So here you can see that my Huawei Watch 3 is connected with my smartphone, and it is showing that the battery percentage is 53. Here you will find all of the pedometer information like the steps counter, calories burned, distance, but everything is 0 because we just started using our device. Here in the watch face section, you can change the watch faces and install the new ones. I will make a separate video that how you can install new watch faces and use your own images as your watch face on your Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro. So I will make a separate video that I will upload very soon. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. If you go to the health monitoring, here you will find some options. So the first one is Huawei True Sleep. By default, it is enabled. If you go here, you will get the option to switch it off. So this is the feature that tracks your sleeping pattern and sleeping information. So better to keep it on. After that, we got the activity reminder. If you turn it on, then if you do not move or do any activity, so after an hour, your smartwatch will give you a reminder that you were sitting since an hour, you were totally inactive, and it's time to move a bit and do some activity. The third one is continuous heart rate monitoring. By default, it is enabled. If you go here, first of all, you will get the option to turn it on or off, the first option. After that, you get the option for the monitoring mode. So if you select real time, it will constantly monitor your heart rate, but it will increase the battery consumption. If you select the smart one, then depending on your physical activity, how you are doing, what you are doing, based on that, it will track and monitor your heart rate. So better to go with a smart one, but if you want, obviously you can select the real time as well. In the alert section, we got very nice and useful feature for high heart rate alert and low heart rate alert. So if you have some heart condition and if you want to get a reminder or notification that your heart rate is going above or below a certain level, then you can use this feature. So if you go to the high heart rate alert, tap on this, then you can either disable it or you can select your preferred heart rate level on which you would like to get the heart rate alert. Same goes with the low heart rate as well. You got the option from 40 to 50, or you can disable it as well. Let's go back from here. The fourth one we got is automatic stress test. By default, it is also enabled, and it analyzes that how stressful you were and during what time of the day, and based on that, it gives you information regarding your stress level on your smartwatch and also on your Huawei Health application in very detail. After that, we got the automatic SpO2 monitoring. The first option is to turn it off or turn it on. The second option is to get the alert if your SpO2 level goes below a certain point. And this is very important, especially considering the coronavirus pandemic we are going through right now, where the blood oxygen saturation level decreases, and it's better to keep a track of it. So here you can see that we got the option to select from 75 to 90% to get the low SpO2 alert, and based on that you will get a notification on your device and alert that your SpO2 level is going down. And the last one is continuous skin temperature measurement. So our Huawei Watch 3 comes with a thermostat as well that measures your temperature. So by default this is disabled, and if you want you can turn it on, and then it will keep measuring your body temperature to give you the information that how your body temperature is changing. So as I said, in the Huawei Health application, you will find detailed information about your health parameters being recorded on your Huawei Watch 3. So you can see that I got information for my heart rate. You can check all of the details here, weekly, monthly, etc. You can also get the sleep information, that how well you are sleeping. You can get all of these information, that how was your deep sleep, light sleep, and you also get some suggestions based on that how you can improve your sleeping pattern. So all of the parameters being recorded on your Huawei Watch 3 will be displayed in full detail with lots of information on your Huawei Health application here. The second option is music. Here you get the option to turn on or off the option to control the phone music, and the next one is manage music, that allows you to add and manage music on your smartwatch. So once again, this is a bit lengthy process, and I will make a separate video that how you can add music, transfer files and all to your smartwatch itself and listen the music on your smartwatch without even having a smartphone with yourself. After that, we got the option for apps. So for that, first of all, you will have to enable the app gallery service on your smartwatch, and then only you will be able to use it. So I'm going to skip this part. We will have a look on it later. Then we got the option for notifications. So by default it is enabled. You can select for which all applications you would like to get the notification on your smartwatch. For example, if you do not want to get notification for Facebook or Instagram, so you can just tap on this slider and the notifications from these apps will not come to your smartwatch. So based on your preference, you can select any of these. And the next one we got is the eSIM management, because our Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro comes with eSIM capability. So you can directly make voice calls right from your Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro if the eSIM is activated on your device. If you go here, you will get the option how to activate your SIM card on your smartwatch. As you can see that I do not have a SIM card inserted in this particular device. So I will make a separate video once again in which I will show the whole process how you can activate the eSIM feature on your Huawei Watch 3 and link it with your SIM card. After that we got the wallet option, and as you can see that unfortunately this feature is not available in my country, so I cannot give you a demo of it. Sorry about it. After that we got the help. Obviously it's going to show you some user manuals, quick start guides, like how you can use the features and all. The next one is device settings. The first one is Bluetooth disconnection reminder. So this is a useful feature because if you leave your phone somewhere else and you start moving and going out of the Bluetooth range, so your smartwatch will be disconnected with your smartphone, and then you will get a notification, a reminder on your device that the Bluetooth connection is terminated. So you will find out that you are out of the range of your smartphone and you will try to locate where exactly is your phone. The second one is app management. If you go here, you will get the option for the app management. So the contacts got the permission because we have selected in the very beginning, if you remember, and this is an important feature because as I said, you can make voice calls from your Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro using the eSIM and also as a Bluetooth headset. If your phone is connected with your Watch 3, then you can use the inbuilt speaker and microphone of Watch 3 and Watch 3 Pro to answer the call. So it's better to keep this feature turned on for contacts to get all of the incoming call information on your device. And the third one is sync Wi-Fi configuration. If you turn it on, then your Wi-Fi network information will be synced with your device and it will be connected with Wi-Fi automatically. So better to keep it on as well. After that we got the option for restore factory settings. I'm going to make a separate video because once again this is a bit lengthy process and there are two methods for performing a hard reset on Huawei Watch 3. So I'm going to cover both of them in a separate video. And then we got the option for firmware update. Once again I will make a separate video for this, so you can come back to this channel again after some time to watch these videos, or you can just turn on the bell notification to get the notification whenever those videos are live. So these are all of the features and options that we got on the Huawei Health application that you can use along with your Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro. And now let's have a look on the smartwatch itself and let's see what are the features, options, settings we got on the device that we can use to utilize all of its features and improve our productivity. So now if I swipe from the top, here you will get some options. So the first one is drain. If you tap on this, then the speaker of Huawei Watch 3 will start making some sound to eject the water out of the speaker. So let me give you a quick demo. So this is what exactly it does. Shake and tilt the watch to help get the water out. After that we got the ultra long battery life option. So if you tap on this, most of the features that we got on our Watch 3 will stop working and it will increase the battery life. After that we got the settings, Wi-Fi to turn on the airplane mode. We got the option to keep the device either in vibration or silent or sound. And after that we got the screen on. If you tap on this, then the screen will lit up for a while. So if I tap on this, it will lit up for 5 minutes, but you can change it from the settings, I think up to 20 minutes. After that we got the option to find phone. If I tap on this, then my phone will start ringing and saying that where exactly it is. So you can see that my phone in the background, it's ringing and it's saying I'm here, so I can locate it. I'm here. So this is how the find phone feature works. After that the next one is DND, do not disturb. If I tap on this, everything will be silent, notifications will be turned off and all. So this is what DND does, as we have already seen on smartphones and smartwatches. Then the next one is flashlight. After that alarm. If you turn on the flashlight, then screen will lit up at the maximum brightness level. and you can just tap on it to switch it off. And the next one is alarm. Obviously you can set up an alarm, and here we got the icons showing that what are the stuff are currently active. So NFC, the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi all are active right now. It comes with lots of watch faces that you can use based on your preference. You can even use your own images as watch face. I will make a separate video to show how you can do that, so do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. Many of these watch faces, they are also customizable, so you can select what information you would like to get on a particular watch face. So this is once again quite nice that Huawei is providing lots of options when it comes to watch face. And since we got an AMOLED display on Huawei Watch 3, it also comes with always on display. But you will have to go to the settings to activate and select one of them. I will show very soon how you can do that. So if you swipe left, you will get some cards that will provide you some nice and useful information like SpO2, skin temperature measurement, physical activity card. If you swipe right, here you will get the weather information and the music player using which you can control your music on your smartphone. If you swipe from the bottom, here you will get the notifications. Now if you press this crown here, that also works as the power button. This is the launcher, Harmony OS 2.0 launcher that you will get. You can see that we got lots of options. You can zoom in, zoom out as well based on your preference. So better to go this way because you can have a look on all of them, or you can just zoom in based on your preference. So here we got lots of options, applications, but the name is not showing, only the icon is appearing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the setting and change the launcher style. Here you can see that we can turn on the always on display. If you turn it on, it will show you the warning message, and then you can select any of these always on display that you can use on your Huawei Watch 3. So what I was showing you is that I was going to change the launcher. So we got two options, grid and list. Right now it's grid, all of them are coming at the very same time. I'm going to select list because I want to show all of these features with their names. You can see now they are coming in at a particular order with their names, so you know exactly what we are looking at, what we're talking about. So the first one is the workout. If you go to the workout, you can see that you will have to accept some terms and conditions, and the Huawei Watch 3 comes with 13 different kinds of running courses that you can use. So right now you can see I'm using the touch screen to move between the options. You can also use the crown. So this is the function of the crown, so you can easily move between the options using the crown here. The same you can do here as well, go up and down. So this is quite nice. So talking about the workouts, we got 13 different courses, 13 different workouts. Then if we got all of these different kinds of workout, you can see we got plenty of them. If you go to the, for example, pool water swim, you can see that once again we get some options, like you can even select the pool lengths, and you can select the lap from fun to depending on your preference. So for different kinds of activities, you will get different options that you can use on Huawei Watch 3 while performing some fitness activities. And then you can see that we got lots of them, and you can even add more. If you just tap on custom and then tap on this add button here, then we got like hundreds of them here. So this is very nice. That does not matter what kind of physical activities you are involved in, you will find one on Huawei Watch 3 for sure. If you go to workout records, obviously you will get the records of your workout. Nothing here right now. Workout status will show you information like fatigue, training load, VO2 max. So these are the informations will be available in the workout status. Then we got activity records, is the same thing, that how many steps you walk, how many times you were active, distance walked, calories burned, stairs climbed, and all this information related to your physical activity. Then we got phone, because you can make phone calls right from your Huawei Watch 3, and it also comes with Huawei's Me Time feature to to make phone calls using internet to other MeTime users. Contacts, you will find all of your contacts. So you can dial either using the MeTime or the contacts, or you can dial manually using the keypad as well. If we go to the music, so this is the music streaming application. If you go to recommendation, for example, here you will find all of these artists and playlists that you can choose to listen music on your Huawei Watch 3 here. You can see we got like plenty of options. It's a huge collection of songs. For few of them you will have to get the premium subscription, and I believe for few of them you can listen free. You can also sync your favorite songs here, and in the song section you can see like everything is 0 right now. Playlist is 0. If you go to the settings here, you can see we got few options. The first one is that you can stream using your mobile data. You can download using mobile data. So these are the network options we got, but the music related options are, first one is the favorite. So the last 50 songs that you have added to your favorites will be downloaded whenever your device is connected to the Wi-Fi and it is getting charged. The same goes with the playlist here as well, and you can also clean up the memory or the songs that you are not listening anymore. And then if you want, you can clear the cache to once again clean some memory on your Huawei Watch 3. And this playing music option is only for the music currently being played via streaming. So if you're playing something on your smartphone and you want to control the music player, for that you will have to go to this screen, the left card on the home screen, and here you will find the music player that you can use to control the play, pause the music, skip between the tracks, control the volume here as well. So this music player is different than the music player here we got. After that we got the heart rate. It will show under which heart rate zone your heart rate was, for how long, to give you information. And if you go to the sleep, here you will get the information regarding your sleep. You can see it's all 0. We got SpO2 monitoring. You can either keep it turned on 24/7 monitoring, or you can manually measure it as well. You can see I will have to wear it for that, so I'm just going to skip it. Then it comes with stress monitoring to give you the information that how much stressed, under which stress level you were, and for how long in terms of percentage. Then we got some breathing exercises as well. So if you are feeling stressed, you can use this breathing exercise depending on how stressed you are, 1 minute to 3 minutes, and you can also select the intensity. Then we got the remote shutter feature, using which you can control the camera of your smartphone to take some pictures without even touching the smartphone, using the remote shutter feature on your Huawei Watch 3. Then we got the weather information. Obviously it's gonna show some weather information, the calendar that will show some upcoming events for you. And then we got alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, compass we got as well. So here you get the information regarding the location on the compass app of Huawei Watch 3. If you go to barometer, here you will get the air pressure information and also the altitude information. But unlike the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, there is no option right now to get the warning message if there is sudden change in air pressure. That's a very useful information for people who are actively involved in outdoor activities and hiking and all, camping. But this is right now is not available on this device. Hopefully it will be available later in the future. Then we got Notepad. The name is Notepad, but basically it's a voice memo application, so you can record some audio quickly based on your requirement. Instead of just putting the notes down, you can just record your audio. That's all it does. If you go back from here, then we got the settings, we got the app gallery and skin temperature. Talking about the skin temperature, we will have to wear it and 10 minutes before measuring the skin temperature to get the correct information. Talking about the app gallery, HarmonyOS 2.0 is running on this device, so it supports apps. If you go here you will find some featured applications like SOS, Emirates Airways. We got all of these. If we go to search, then you can type some app names, etc., and search for them. For example, let's search maps. So maybe it will show petal maps of Huawei. Yes, that's what I guessed. So you can install petal maps and other applications on your Huawei Watch 3 using the app gallery available on this device, and you can also use your smartphone application to install the apps on your Huawei Watch 3. So this is really nice. And then if you go to the settings here, you will get lots of options. So you can turn on off the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, NFC. We have already seen watch face and launcher. You can select the tiles that's coming on the home screen. You can remove any of them, or you can add, but there is a limitation of 4 cards only, as we can see here. Then display and brightness, you can select the brightness level. Then here we got the sleep option. By default it is on auto, but you can select like after how much time the device needs to go in the sleep mode. So better to keep it on auto. And screen time is what I was talking about in the beginning. So by default it is on 5 minutes, but it is possible to have the screen on for up to 20 minutes. So if I select this and then I go here and screen on, let's off it, and if I turn it on again, it should show that screen is going to be turned on for like 20 minutes. Yes, so this is how you can change the screen on time. Better to keep it 5 because 20 minutes is going to consume lots of battery. Then if you go to the sounds and vibration, here you can select the ring volume that you would like to have on your Watch 3, the volume for the AI voice, the Huawei Assistant we got on this device. Then you can also select the ringtone. We got plenty of ringtones that you can select, and after that you can turn on the mute if you do not want to get any notification tone when something is popping up on your screen. You can also turn on the vibration if you are going to keep your device on mute. And then we got the options like vibrate for calls, DND, and whether you would like to get system haptic feedbacks in terms of vibration, and call broadcast is there as well. If you go to the DND, here you will get multiple options. So you can turn it on for all day, or you can schedule it. If you use the schedule mode, you will get the option to select the start and end time for the schedule DND. If you go to the notifications, here you will get 2 options, show all or show disabled. If you go to show all, it will show list of all of the apps that got the access to the notification for which you will get the notification, and a list of system apps as well. So you can see for them you don't have the option to turn them on or off, as you can see here. And in show disabled, it will show all of the apps for which notifications are disabled. So we just got 2 third-party applications, and for them the notifications are turned on. So if I just turn it off, and then if I go to show disabled, it will show the radio line application that the notifications are disabled for this one. You can also set up PIN on your Huawei Watch 3 for security purpose. I will make a separate video how you can do that. Then we got the apps. Here you will get the permission manager. What are the apps installed on your device? You can even disable few of them if you want, or uninstall. In the battery we get 2 options. The one is the regular battery mode that we are using. Obviously it's going to consume more battery because lots of activity is happening, lots of sensors are working. Or you can select the ultra long battery life to improve the battery life performance. And just like the smartphones, you can also get the information regarding the power consumption on your Huawei Watch 3, and you can turn on off few of the features that are consuming the battery, like always on display, raise to wake features, etc. In security and privacy, you get the option for the location services, whether you would like the device to access your location or not and share it with some applications. After that we got the emergency SOS. If you turn it on, it will ask you to enable the location for it, and then you can press the power button 5 times to call for emergency help. Then we got the permission manager. Here you can check all of the apps and what permissions they got, and you can revoke them if needed. And here we got the permission access history. After that we got the Huawei Assistant. If you go there, then you can turn on the AI tips that you will keep getting from Huawei Assistant. Under the accessibility features, if you go to gesture, here you will get the option. The first one is raise to wake. What exactly it does, if you turn it on and move your wrist while the device is in sleep mode, then the screen will light up. So let me give you a quick demo of this. And here we go. So this is how it works. So if the raise to wake feature is turned on, then whenever the device is in a standby mode, and if you just raise your wrist, the screen will light up like that. Answer call gesture. This is a very nice and unique feature. So if a call comes, if you just clench your fist and leave it like this, it will detect the motion in your hand and then it will answer the call. So this is a nice gesture based feature we got on Huawei Watch 3. And if you go to the accessibility, here you will find some options. So the first one is zoom in gesture, press up to end calls. So if you are in a voice call, if you want to end it, you can use this up button. This one is the down button, this one is the up button. You can turn on text to speech. You can also turn on the screen reader that will read whatever you are getting on the screen. If you are having difficulty in reading the content on the screen, so it will read it for you if you turn it on. And if you go to the more settings, here you will get lots of options for the screen reader. So you can select the text to speech setting, which one will be your preferred engine for that, whether you would like to screen reader to work for all of the notifications or only when the screen is locked or unlocked. And then we got plenty of options related to screen reader that you can use based on your preference. Lots of options are there, as you can see here. After that, you can have a look on all of the downloaded services on your device, but as you can see, it's fresh. There's nothing on our Watch 3 right now. And then here you can customize the down button as we have already talked about. So if you tap on this, you can select which particular application you would like to be launched once you press this down button here. So right now it is set to workout. If I select, for example, phone, so if I'm at the home screen and just tap this, then the phone app will be launched. So this is how the down button works here. And then we got the workout settings, under which we will find only one option, that's auto detects workout. So once you start working out without turning on any workout, then it will detect that you are doing some physical activity and it will remind you to turn on the workout on Huawei Watch 3 to track and provide you the information regarding your physical activities. And then if you go to the system and updates, here you will find some basic stuff like how to update the software, date and time changing. You can disconnect the Watch 3 with your smartwatch. You can restart, power off or reset. So all of the basic stuff you will find in system and updates. So these are the options we've got on Huawei Watch 3 settings, and as you can see that it is quite feature rich and productive for sure, as we got all of these nice options and features, and we can also install third-party applications on this device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and show your support by subscribing this channel and sharing this video with your friends. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.